Hi friends, Leticia's from Leticia's Recipes, and today I'm going to show you how we can make amazing eggs. Eggs can become a whole meal in itself. It's a great source of protein. We're going to making fresh tomato sauce and potatoes, and we're going to cook a heck of a meal that you can use for sandwiches, for brunch, even for dinner. Quick, easy, healthy, and here we go. We have half a kilo of tomatoes. So we have cherry tomatoes, and we're gonna put just one of those tomatoes too. This is an amazing, really quick sauce to make, very healthy. So tomatoes, put a little bit of fennel seed, pepper, and salt. And of course, as always, good olive oil. Just give it a toss with your hands. Spread it all. Spread the tomatoes and goes in the oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees, 390 Fahrenheit. Put your tomatoes in the oven for 20 minutes. Peel 3 potatoes. Salt, rosemary, olive oil. On a medium heat setting, cook your eggs for 2 to 3 minutes, depending how you like your eggs. I like them running in the center, but you just keep an eye. If you like it more cooked, you leave it a little bit longer. So get a croissant or a baguette or your favorite bread for your local bakery. Place the eggs on top. Sprinkle with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley. The potatoes are out of the oven. Place the eggs with more of the fresh tomato sauce. Look at all this. Isn't this a great way to eat? No fake ingredients, all freshly made, and it's not that difficult. Once you learn to cook like this, you're gonna start feeling better and better every day. Subscribe to Leticia's Recipes if you like this, and see you next week for more fun cooking. Mwah! Bye-bye! Today we're going to be making amazing eggs with fresh tomatoes and fresh ingredients. Los huevos with tomatoes. Los tomatos y los huevos.